In this video, we're taking a quick look at Vidofy AI, a platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate videos, images, and animations from simple text prompts. It can create HD videos with lip syncing, turn still images into short clips, and even modify your existing footage by changing the style or improving the quality. It's a useful tool if you need quick visuals, but like any AI tool, it has its strengths and limitations. Vidofy's features are easy to use, and the variety of templates and AI models gives you a lot of creative freedom. You can go from a basic idea to a finished clip in just a few minutes, which is great for social media posts or fast product demos. On the other hand, the output isn't always perfect. Sometimes animations look a bit stiff or the style doesn't match what you imagined, so you may need a few attempts to get the result you want. For pricing, Vidofy offers 3 plans. The free plan is good for testing, but it's very limited and adds a watermark to your exports. The light plan at $15 a month removes the watermark and gives you more credits, and the professional plan at $29 offers faster processing, more monthly credits, and extra control over your videos. Whether these plans make sense really depends on how often you create content. Overall, Vidofy is convenient and beginner-friendly, especially for quick drafts or social posts, but it's not a full replacement for traditional editing, and the free tier won't take you very far. If you go in with realistic expectations, it can definitely help you speed up your creative workflow.